Hello students, welcome to Academic Aura. Today we will do practice set 25 from the chapter Operation on Rational Numbers. Okay, now see, this question is simplify the following expressions. Now to simplify these expressions, what are you going to do? Use this BODMAS, BODMAS. I'll explain what it is. BODMAS means B stands for brackets. That means that first you have to solve the bracket. Okay, the inner brackets first. Brackets of multiplication, division. First brackets of multiplication, division, then multiplication again. Now multiplication again, I'll tell you again. See, if you have multiplication on the outer side leaving the bracket, that multiplication will come later. First multiplication of brackets will come. Okay, then addition and subtraction. So using BODMAS we are going to simplify the following expressions. Understood? Now see the first one. 50 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 plus 25. Okay, now see here, what will we do first? 50 multiplied by 5, we will multiply first. Okay, we will first multiply and then we will keep the rest of the thing as it is. Now there is no bracket. Okay, otherwise I told you what we have to do. First we have to simplify the brackets, but there is no bracket here. So what we will do is multiply this. See, multiply this first. 5 5s are 25 and there is a 0 here, right? So write 5 5s are 25 and this 0. You multiply this right hand side, first you keep it as it is. Understood? See here, first multiply this, keep this as it is. Now what you will do after multiplication, you multiplied. Now see, division is there, so first divide it. 250 divided by 2. Okay, when you divide 250 by 2, you get 125. 125, and what is left over here? Plus 24. Understood till here? Then what is the next step? Now there is an addition sign, plus sign over here. That means we are going to add it. Understood? 125 plus 24 is 149. So understood what we did here, children? First you multiply. Okay, don't go to divide this because you cannot divide 5 divided by 2. You cannot divide this. Okay, so first you multiply this and then the rest of the process you go step by step. When you multiply, you get divided by 2, that you divide by 2 and then you add 24 in it. Understood? Now see the second sum. We have 13 multiplied by 4. What I told you, first we will always solve the bracket. First in the first sum we did not have bracket. Okay, but here we have a bracket. So first step is always solve the bracket. 13 4s are 52. The rest of this expression you write it as it is. Okay, first multiply and the rest of the thing you write it as it is. Now 52 divided by 2. What is 52 when you divide it by 2? You get 26. 52 divided by 2, 26. What is left over here? Minus 26. Now 26 minus 26 is 0. So your answer is 0. Understood the second sum, children? First solve the bracket. Now children, see the third sum. We have, see, 140 is out, division sign is there. Don't divide first. What I told you, first simplify the brackets, the inner brackets first. That means, see, okay, there is a square bracket over here, a round bracket here. So inner brackets first we will multiply. There is a multiplication sign here. So I'll just underline here so you understand it better. You don't have to underline, just to explain it to you, I will underline here. Now 11 3s are we will multiply. Okay, first we will multiply this and the rest of the things we can keep it as it is. So first thing we are going to multiply this. Just see step by step how I'm doing it. You will find it easy. So first step is, see, 140 I'm keeping it as it is. Put the division sign as it is. Now what I am doing is I am multiplying the inner bracket first. 11 3s is 33. Okay, and don't forget about the signs. Now see, minus here and minus here. In multiplication, minus and minus becomes plus. Minus into minus is plus. That means what do you get here? 11 3s are 33. No need to put the minus sign because minus into minus is plus. Now what I am doing, first step, I just multiplied this. The rest of this part I will keep it as it is. But see, there are two minus signs here. Okay, two minus signs. Minus into minus becomes plus. Understood? Why plus? See, here also minus into minus became plus. That's the reason we did not put any sign over here. Okay, 140 divided by 33. But here minus into minus, put the plus sign first, then the rest of the thing will be as it is. That is 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Okay. Now see here the inner brackets. We solve the inner bracket. That is the round bracket. We solve the round bracket. Now you put the square bracket over here. Understood? Only the first step was easy. I only multiplied 11 3s are 33. Okay. And the rest of the part I kept it as it is. Now see, again there is a bracket. What is the next step? We will solve the bracket. So this part you will keep it as it is. 140 you keep it as it is. Understood? Now see, in the brackets also, brackets of multiplication, division, first multiplication, division, all that comes first. Understood? So don't add this. You can first divide this. Understood what I'm saying? So first you keep this part as it is. That is 33. 33 you keep it as it is. Okay. You divide this first. First what is said in BODMAS? Brackets of multiplication, division. But brackets of in bracket multiplication is not there, but you can see division over here, right? So when you divide this, 42 divided by 14. Okay, 14 words are 42. 14 3s is 42. So what we write here, put the plus sign as it is, and when you divide this, you get 3. And then this minus 1, we will keep it as it is. Understood? Brackets of multiplication, division. So brackets, in the brackets, multiplication is not there, but division is there. That's the reason first this part, and then the rest of the thing will be as it is. Okay. Now again we have a bracket left over here. We will solve this bracket and keep this 140 as it is. Understood till here? Now you can solve this bracket. That is 33 plus 3. 33 plus 3 is 36. Understood? 36 and minus 1. 33 plus 3, 36 minus 1. Understood till here? Now again 140 is equal to, sorry, not equal to, division sign is there. 36 minus 1. 36 minus 1, 35. I'll do it on the right hand side. There is no space here. 140 when you divide it by 35. 140 what size? 35 what size? 140. See here 35. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. So 35 4s are 140. So when you divide, you get 4s are 35 what size? 140. 35 4s are. So when you divide, you get 4. Sorry, I multiplied it. 35 4s is 140. You can divide and you can check. Okay. See here. 35 4s is 140. So 35 4s are. So 4s is 140. Understood? So answer you get 4 over here. Understood the steps? What I did here? First the bracket, that is of multiplication. Okay. The rest of the thing I kept it as it is. Then again the bracket I used, but in the bracket multiplication, division. Since multiplication is not there, division I did first. After division, again solve the bracket only, and then at last this division will be at last because it is outside, it is not in the bracket. So first part is, keep in mind always while solving the expression, you have to solve the inner brackets. So understood the third sum? Now children, see the fourth sum. Fourth sum also is easy. First what you do, solve the bracket. Okay, see this bracket is there. Inner brackets we will solve. Understood? The first step is always solve the inner brackets. Now see what to do here. 120 minus 140. First we will begin with the inner brackets. 220 minus 140. So when you subtract this, you get 80. Okay, you get 80 here. So remove, see, we solved this bracket. We solved the round bracket. So remove that. We remove that. Okay, we solved that bracket. What is the other bracket left outside it? Curly bracket is left. Put it in the curly bracket. Understood? We solved this. Now there is a plus sign. You put the plus sign as it is. Again there is a bracket over here. All these things are in the bracket, right? So we will solve the bracket first. Then you put this square bracket here as it is. 10 9s are 90. Okay, 10 9s are 90. Then be careful when there is a minus sign. Now see, there is a minus sign here. So just don't write plus into minus, and then solve this bracket. 2 5s are 10. Okay, understood? And then close this bracket here. After that, see, after closing this bracket, we solve the inner bracket. 2 5s are 10. That is the round bracket. Okay, so put the square bracket and the curly bracket as it is. Minus 100 also will be as it is. Okay, so see children, I'll just explain here again. This I solved first, 220 minus 140. Then the inner bracket, 10 9s are 90 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, this 100 I kept it as it is because it is outside the bracket. Understood? Now what is the inner bracket? See the inner bracket. 80 is not there in the inner bracket, but this is in the inner bracket. So this next step will be, we will solve this bracket and the rest of the things will be as it is. So write 80 as it is. Okay, 80 write as it is, plus the inner bracket is 90 minus 10. 90 minus 10, again we get 80. Understood till here? And then this is 100. So 100 will be as it is. See, 80 I kept it as it is. 100 I kept it as it is. The inner bracket I solved, that is 90 minus 10. Now see children, when you solve this, 80 plus 80. 80 plus 80 is 160 minus 100. 160 minus 100 will be 60. Understood children the fourth sum? Now children, see the fifth sum. Now don't get confused by looking at the sum, it is easy. First what we do, first division. Okay, there are no brackets over here. So first we can take division. So see the steps first. First I am going to solve this part. As I told you, first we will do division. No need to put it in the bracket, I am just doing it to show you. Okay, now see this. If we are going to solve this, we are going to solve this first, this part first. Okay, don't put it in the bracket, just to explain I am showing you. So 3 upon 5 I will keep it as it is. Okay, 3 upon 5 and keep the plus sign as it is. First we will solve this part, the division part. That means see 3 upon 8. Now in the first practice set of this chapter we have learned division. When there is division, when there is a division and when we have to write it into multiplication, what do? Write the left hand side as it is. So first you write 3 upon 8 as it is, and division, when you write it into multiplication, we have to write the reciprocal of this side. What is reciprocal? That is the multiplicative inverse. 6 upon 4 will be 4 upon 6. Okay, now just concentrate on this part, leave this 3 upon 5. First we will only solve this part. Understood? Now see your left hand side, keep it as it is. Okay, now I told you we will just concentrate on this part, we will work on this part. Now see, in multiplication, what I told you, you can reduce it to the lowest form. This part you can reduce it to the lowest form. How will you reduce it? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, right? This also we can reduce it. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Can you further reduce it? You cannot cut these two. Okay, only in the numerator and denominator here we can cut, not the same. Denominator's number you cannot cut in multiplication. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Again 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now see what is left children over here. See what is left. 1 ones are 1. So on top we have 1. On top there is a multiplication sign, so multiply. Whatever is remaining, multiply. 1 ones are 1 here and 2 twos are 4 over here. Understood till here? Now see, now we have solved this right hand side. This division part we have solved. Now we can take these two and we can solve. Okay, now see, we are going to add these rational numbers. What you are going to do? First we want equal denominators. To make it equal, what you will do is, you can find the LCM also. 5 fours are 20. Understood? You can find the LCM, or you can directly cross multiply. Multiply the denominator and cross multiply. Understood what you are going to do? I'll just repeat. Multiply the denominator and then cross multiply. So see here, first multiply the denominator. 5 fours are 20, right? 5 fours are 20. Now you are going to multiply the denominator. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are, there is a plus sign here, put it in between, and 5 ones are 5. That is 5 multiplied by 1. Okay, see, understand, this is a very important step. It will be helpful to you in the future also, in the 8th, 9th, 10th. First what you do, multiply the denominator and cross multiply. 3 fours are, plus sign is there in between, put the plus sign, and 5 ones are. Now we will solve this part. Okay, see, I will solve it on the right hand side over here. Is equal to, see, 3 fours are 12, put the plus sign, and 5 ones are 5. In the denominator's place we have 20, is equal to 12 plus 5, 17. 17 upon 20. That is only your answer. See, 17 upon 20, we cannot reduce it to the lowest form, so we have to keep it as it is. 17 upon 20 as it is. Understood? What you do here, first solve this division. Division, when you turn it to multiplication, you have to write the reciprocal. Means 6 upon 4 will become 4 upon 6. Then you reduce it to the lowest form, you get 1 upon 4. This part I told you, first thing always keep in mind, multiply the denominator and cross multiply. I have done it here. Understood? Then 3 4s are 12 plus 5 1s are 5 upon 20. So this is how you get the answer. Understood, children? So here we have finished practice set 25. If you find the video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.